Today we have discussed about the first chapter, real numbers, for 9th class children. So what is the real numbers? The combination of rational number and irrational number is called a real numbers. So what is the real numbers? The combination of rational and irrational numbers is called a real numbers. And real numbers we denoted by the symbol for odd children. So this is an example of R is equal to Q is the rational number and union combination of and rational numbers is the Q dash. What is the rational number? A number can be written in P by Q form is called a rational number. Okay, it is denoted by the symbol for Q. Is the U means union, unions means combining. So next Q dash means irrational numbers children. What is the irrational number? A number which cannot be written in the P by Q form is called a irrational number. It is denoted by the symbol for Q dash. So real numbers is the combination of the combining rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay children? But this is the first exercise we have to given in the question. For example, example 1, terminating and non-terminating decimals in the division process children. So for example 1 by 5 and 1 by 2 is a terminating or non-terminating? Is a terminating or non-terminating children. Non-terminating. What about the terminating children? A rational number in which the divisors terminating, which have finite decimals is called a terminating decimals. This is a shortly we have to learn the remainder value is a 0 and got it the terminating decimals. So non-terminating decimals is a repeating decimals. For example, in the given question 1 by 2 is in the given question. So 1 by 2 is the division. So 5 1. Children, all must observe. So if you write in 5 is the dividend, this is the divisor we have to write in the 1. Okay children, everyone should have write in the 1 and 5, okay, but not write in this process. So we have to write in the only for denominator value we have to dividend process, and 1 is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, and 5 there is not cancellation in 1, so this is a big value. So next, can you guess the children? Yes, where it is 0.0. Okay children, 0.0. So how many times are cancelled? 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10. So this is the terminating decimal children. This is the terminating. Okay. So this the remainder will be cut at 0. So then we have this is the terminating decimal. So 1 by 5 is a terminating decimal. Okay, terminating. So this is the first sum and this is the second sum. And 1 by 2. 1 by 2 also have to write in the children. Divisor is a 2 and 1 is the dividend. And how many times are cancelled? This is a small number, this is a big value. So there is no cancellation. Next, otherwise you have to find the value children. Yes, can you guess? Yes, otherwise you have to do it in the sum. So you have to make the 0 point. 0 point means this is the 0. You will get it at 0. So how many times are cancelled? 2 table 5 times. 2 5 are 10. This is also 0. This is also 1 by 2 is a terminating. Okay children? What about the observing the non-terminating decimals children? What about observing the non-terminating decimals? For example, I will give you one sum. So 1 by 3. Okay, children? This is the completed. And next 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Example 2, 1 by 3. Is it terminating or non-terminating? So 1 by 3 means, children, 1. So we have to write in the 1 is the dividend and divisor is the 3. There is no cancellation in 1. What about to make it do it in the sum? So 0.0. How many times are 3 table? How many? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9. Okay. So 1. Remember is 1. Point method we have to again got it a 0. Put a 0. Again 3. Again 9. Again 1. Again point make 0. Again 3 times. Okay, children? Again 9. So there is no remainder value is 0. So this is a repeating decimal. Repeating decimal is a non-terminating children. We should observe the non-terminating decimal. So the remainder value we will put it a 0. It is terminating. But remainder value is a so on. It is non-terminating children. Okay, children. What about the non-terminating children? A decimal number for a which division process does not terminate each other. That is called a non-terminating children. Okay. For example, this is the 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333, so on, etc. So on. But the repeating decimal is the 3 1. That is, we have to write shortly 3 bar. So 0.34, and this is the repeating decimal also. So 1 by 3 is a non-terminating children. Okay, children. And so 3. This is a recurring decimal. The period and periodicity. So okay, that this is the next lesson. We will tell about the next lesson. Okay, thank you, children.